Hi class, let's take a look at example 2. And in example 2, we have a specific type of series. Notice the problems A, B, and C can actually be written of the following form. So let me review the formulas. And you technically have this sort of a scenario, which we basically just name these a P series. And if you can express your series as, well, technically 1 over n to the P, then the following is going to be true for a P series, and this is that if the value of P is less than or equal to 1, it's going to diverge. If it's greater than 1, it's going to converge. So all you have to know and state is that, well, the series is a P series, and then basically mention the value of P, and then if it converges or diverges. Okay, so let's take a look at the first example. So in this case, because the actual exponent happens to be to the third power, this is actually P is equal to 3. So in this case, this is a P series. Whoops, let me fix it. With P is equal to 3. So therefore, this series is going to converge. So the series will converge. And you can just say because P is equal to 3. So that's pretty much it. You basically just state the type of series that you have, and then you mention the value of P. Now let's take a look at the second one. And in this case, well, technically, because of that 1, you're going to have that P is equal to 1. So in this case, we have a P series with P is equal to 1. So the series will diverge. And you can just say because P is equal to the values of 1. Let's take a look at the last example. And in our last example, well, technically your P is the value of a half. So in this case, we have the same scenario. We're looking at a P series. So P series with P is equal to 1/2. So therefore, the actual series will diverge. So the series and that's pretty much it. So if you recognize what type of series do you have, you can just basically mention the type of series, and then we're basically just looking at this statement. It suffices to say, well, that it's a P series, and then mention the value of P. That would be it for this example.